Here we go, another package. I got more stuff from eBay. Somebody unfortunately unboxed one of my packages, one of my light bulbs. It's a 300 watt. Hope this is in good condition though. Paid like $7 for this. Pretty nice thing. It's almost as bright as probably my floodlights. Well, maybe a little brighter because my floodlights are 5,000 lumens. This is 5,870. It's a very nice bulb. These are very good quality. And yeah, a fixture for this to test it because this thing will get really hot. It's a 300 watt incandescent. This one, I'm gonna open this one up, so it's hard to record everything at the same time though. So I'm gonna try my best to open it while recording. So I'll set my phone down. Oh yeah, this is the light bulb, another one. This one's a GE 150 watt bulb. Looks very nice. It's these newer ones. It has the horizontal filament. Looks in pretty good shape. It's not busted. I like these a lot. I need a correct fixture because if I install these in a 60 watt socket, it's just gonna cause a fire. I'm not gonna do it right now. Well, maybe it can work for a few seconds, but I'm not just gonna install it because I don't want to damage my sockets or anything. These things get really hot. I mean really hot compared to LEDs and fluorescent. Also those HID lamps as well. Incandescent and halogen gets the hottest of all lamps. So I'm gonna be testing these as soon as I get a fixture. I'm not gonna test it until I get my thermometer as well. So it's probably gonna be a week till I really test these out. So stay tuned. I'm gonna just open this box to see if it's in good shape though. So yeah, thanks for watching. I'm sure this bulb is in good shape though. I need to get a 200 watt bulb though soon, because the other one burned out on me. So I only got 150 and 300 watts. Very nice bulb though.